Once you have created your mobility project on all the flows, you have to create the checklist and the documents. The documents are the documents that you're gonna create to give to the other users or participants that participate in the mobility. And the checklist, it's gonna be the mandatory documents that the other users have to upload inside the platform for the mobility. We're gonna click on checklist, and we're gonna see that here there is a list of all the other documents that I have done. For example, the participant evaluation or the participant curriculum. Here you can edit and delete all the documents, and for sure you can filter by words the document that you are looking for. For example, evaluation. Here you have only the document that have the word evaluation. To create a new document, you have to click on New Document, and here you have some things to fill. For example, the name. In that case, we're going to do an example of curriculum vitae, and here you have to click for some options like is the curriculum vitae of the participant or the accompanying persons. It's a required document. Here it's going to be for participant, it's going to be a required document for the mobility, and is the document expire? In that case, it's going to expire once the mobility have already implemented, and also you can choose if it's visible to the intermediary or not. In that case, as is the curriculum vitae, it's going to be visible by the intermediary. Here you have to describe the characteristics of the documents that you need for the mobility, and then you can write here whatever, and then you can save. Once you saved, you have to click on back to the checklist, and you will see your document here.